What's up, Trader's Edge? It's Mark Sebastian, your only option. And here's your reaction to Nvidia earnings. I'll also talk about what's going on with Crowdstrike and CRM. So with that, let's dig in. All right, folks, we're closing up shop on Trading Desk, where you can take advantage of my brand new Backbone SVIX strategy. If you want to join, click the link in here. If you're watching me on YouTube, please like and subscribe, leave a question or a comment, and I will get to it. So let's take a look at what happened with Nvidia. Nvidia beat consensus earnings. But here's the thing. When you're Nvidia, consensus is not consensus. Consensus is not consensus. Expectations are so high, that valuation is so high, it can't just beat the consensus number. It has to blow the doors off of the very top number. So the very top number was around 72 cents a share. Consensus was about 64 cents a share. Nvidia came in at 68. So it beat consensus, but it didn't beat those top line estimates. Revenue, very similar. So what do we see out of Nvidia? Well, heading into earnings, they were pricing at about $14 of movement. Post earnings, right now, it's down about $5. Well, what have we seen historically? Since 2011, not including this earnings, we have seen Nvidia price an over 8% move 12 times. This would be the 13th. In those 12 times, only 3 times did it move more than what the market was pricing in. 9 of those times, it moved less. Now, it's a small sample set, but in those 12 times, 75% of the time, it moved less. Did it go up or down? That was pretty much evenly split. So right now, what we're looking is about what you'd expect. It's down a little bit, but it's less than we expected. Going into this earnings, Nvidia was pricing in about the biggest move that we'd ever seen, both in dollar terms and percentage terms. And it looks so far like a flop. We'll see what they say on the conference call. But my play, I think, going into earnings tomorrow, post earnings, there's going to be a lot of opportunity to trade. We're going to be looking at this one in Trading Desk. But there's a reason why I typically do not put on plays on earnings. They are such a coin flip. And digging into that Nvidia data, it was basically saying your best bet was to sell the at-the-money straddle. So sell the call and sell the put in a trade that looks like this. Now, you tell me, do you feel safe selling just being straight? If it goes above 139 or below 112, you can lose an unlimited amount of dollars? No. But that is what the stats said was the best play. Again, hard pass. But that is likely going to work on Nvidia this time. Okay, so let's look at Crowd. Earnings are out. It's over 270. Up, we'll call it $9, maybe up $10. Leading into this earnings, they were pricing in about a $23 move. That one looks disappointing as well. CRM, last but not least, that one's up about $13 going into this earnings, pricing about 20. So far, the 3 big earnings on the 28th, 2 out of 3 are up, all not really moving as much as we expect. We'll see what happens when those conference calls happens, because those can obviously move things. Obviously, when we open up tomorrow, that could change things. What I would expect in terms of the overall market, Nvidia being kind of a dud, just being down a little bit, that's actually going to be a bit of a sigh of relief. I think you'll see the volatility index come off, the VIX come off, and you could see the market potentially rally. So when I look at where the VIX is, it closed at 1711 because people were terrified of the overall of how bad Nvidia might move. Nvidia having kind of an inside day might be actually bullish the market. So Nvidia's loss might actually lead to money flowing into names like Microsoft, maybe an Amazon, names like that. So I actually think Nvidia being a little bit soft could be bullish the overall market. Once again, I want you to join me in Trading Desk. We're going to be looking at Nvidia on Thursday. We're also going to be taking a look at our new Backbone SFIX strategy. Last chance to join at our introductory price. Click the link in this email. And again, if you're watching me on YouTube, like and subscribe. You got questions, email me, support@optionpit.com. Call us 888-872-3301. I am Mark Sebastian. I am your only option. Have a good one.